Kufuatia na kufanyika kwa maandamano ya mawakili kumtaka msajili wa ardhi Charles Ayenda kutoka afisini, mawakili hao wakiongozwa na mwenyekiti wa The Law Society of Kenya tawi la Southwest Gideon Nyambati walifunga koti zinazoshughulikia kesi za jinai kama njia moja ya kuonyesha kutoridhika na kazi yake Charles Ayenda.
5th of August we had a demonstration against the land registrar, but on our way while exercising Article 37, we were blocked by police officers working under instructions of their bosses whom we have not known. And as you note, since morning, the operations are paralyzed in court.
Haya yamefuatia maandamano yaliyofanyika siku ya Ijumaa wakati Nyambati alitoa notisi ya kufungwa kwa koti hizo kwa sababu polisi walituhumiwa kutumia nguvu zaidi kuwazuia kuingia kwa afisi ya msajili huyo wa ardhi.
We are issuing a written notice today for the closure of the Kisii Law Courts and all other courts that are served through Kisii High Court until such a time that the police will have to understand the bright and the intent of Article 37. We welcome you that on Monday by 7:30 in the morning, kindly join me as I proceed to close the court. A challenge to the members of the Law Society is a challenge to a common mwananchi.
Kwa mazungumzo yake Nyambati siku ya Jumatatu alisema kuwa walikuwa na kikao ili kuangalia jinsi mbadala za kuzuia koti kufungwa japo mawakili hao hawakuelewana.
We were called this morning for a meeting to discuss on a way forward in terms of whether we can concede to a few give and take. But because of the interest of our membership who are not present here, we have not agreed, and we have left the boardroom where the judge and the judicial officers are seated to agree on the way forward. But on our part, we maintain the notice stance until issues raised have been addressed, because we do not think the police have the powers to challenge what the resolution of members did in terms of moving to serve a petition while we were not armed in any manner. We had even representation of the president of LSK from Nairobi who attended, and the entire National Council, but we were not given an opportunity. That is impunity of the highest order, which we are not going to contain. The intent and the purpose of calling for close of the registry is that even those who have been arrested, they are supposed to be given on bond, to be released on bond. There is no such certificate, there is no title deed, there is no green card. How are we going to secure their release from prison once a plea has been taken?
Edwin Mokaya, AGR Kisii.